Hi, I'm Azan Atira binti Junid.
Hi, my name is Yvonne Elvira binti Zaidi.
Hi, I am Jisuna Simang Jonathan Bandang.
Hi, I'm Siti Khairunisa binti Ibrahim.
Hi, my name is Sharif Shafi'i.
Hello everyone, today I will explain the introduction of Grab and the importance of knowledge sharing within the organization. Grab is one of the leading technology companies in Southeast Asia. It provides services such as ride-hailing, food delivery, digital payment and financial services. Since its establishment as My Taxi in 2012, Grab has expanded rapidly and used technologies such as AI and the data analytics to improve its operation and service quality. As a technology-driven company, Grab relies on effective knowledge sharing among employees and departments. Knowledge sharing tools enable information to be communicated, stored, and accessed efficiently. These tools help improve collaboration, support innovation, enhance decision making, and ensures high quality service delivery across the organization.
Next, I will talk about the literature review. In this literature review, I will explain the concept of the knowledge tools, networking, and groupware. Let's start with knowledge tool. Based on a study by Alkani and Aksoy back in 2022, modern organizations heavily rely on technology to turn individual skill into shared corporate capital. For a fast-moving platform like Grab, having rapid access to real-time information is absolutely critical. Past research also show that this knowledge tool acts as a practical system that makes real-time problem solving much easier for everyone involved, from management and delivery partners to the final customer. Next is networking. Knowledge too cannot survive without networking effort. A recent study by June 2025 explained that knowledge sharing on digital platform is not just about the technology, it's driven by social interactions. User decide whether to take or share information based on their digital surrounding and their relationship with others on the platform. This idea is backed up by Who and Nor 2024. They found that in modern service apps, social influence and trust are the real key to keeping users actively participating in the network. If we look at this within the Malaysian gig economy, user trust and a seamless, easy-to-use platform are what actually drive non-traditional workforce like Grab riders to keep sharing information within the network. Moving on, to actually run all these networking and knowledge sharing activities, company needs the help of groupware. Simply put, this is the software that handles coordination, collaboration, and communication. According to Zamiri and Ismaili, 2024, groupware acts as the best that improve internal communication and coordination. On top of that, a systematic review by Baxter agrees that having a structured approach to cooperation is vital for a company's day-to-day operation efficiency. In service-based industry, groupware is excellent for speeding up the whole innovation process by bringing stakeholder networks together. So, when apply all these theories to Grab business model, the connection becomes very clear. Grab is a multi-service platform that live on data. As argued by Rahmat and Ahmad, it is this real-time data flow that created by combining groupware and smart network management that ultimately cuts down operational frictions and keep users loyal to the platform. Next, I will talk about.
So now we are proceed to the methodology for this study. For this study, we use a qualitative research approach with a case study strategy. This method is suitable because it helps us gain a deeper understanding of Grab Holding Incorporation by examining existing information rather than collecting new data. The research relied entirely on secondary data sources. The information was gathered from reliable materials such as Grab's official websites, annual reports, academic journals, and new articles. Since the study focuses on the company's backgrounds and development, there was no need to conduct surveys, interviews, and questionnaire. Finally, the collected information was analyzed using the document analysis method. This involved reviewing and interpreting various documents to understand Grab's history, business operations, services, and recent developments. By using this method, we ensure that the findings are comprehensive, accurate, and based on credible sources. So now we are proceeding.
This slide highlights the specific knowledge sharing tools used within Grab to support learning, collaboration, and data-driven decision making. First, Grab Academy serves as Grab official learning and development platform. It provides training, programs, workshops, certifications, and online courses that help employees and partners continuously improve their skill and stay updated with industry knowledge. Second, Hubble is the Grab data discovery platform, centralized access to dataset, dashboard, metadata, and documentations. It makes information easier to find and understand, promoting the collaboration across the department while improving efficiency and decision making. For the last one is the Jarvis. Jarvis is an AI-powered data assistant that enables users to access business data using natural language. Employees can simply ask questions and Jarvis automatically convert them into data queries, making the analytics and more accessible even to the non-technical user. This supports a stronger data-driven culture throughout the organization. Overall, these tools demonstrate how Grab leverages technology to facilitate knowledge sharing, enhance employee learning, and improve organizational performance.
Next, I will present the evaluation of Grab's three knowledge sharing tools, which are Grab Academy, Hubble, and Jarvis. The table compares the effectiveness and strength of each tool with its weaknesses and limitations. First, Grab Academy provides safety, service, certified, and career-related training for Grab driver and delivery partners. It allows them to learn at their own pace and provides standardized learning materials, which can improve their knowledge and service performance. However, its effectiveness depends on users' motivation and participation. Some partners may have limited time, internet access, language ability, or digital skills. It also more suitable for sharing formal knowledge than practical experience. Second, Hubble centralized datasets, metadata, documentation, and data ownership in one platform. This helps employees find and understand information more quickly, while supporting collaboration and database decision making. However, Hubbles depend on accurate, complete, and updated data. Poor communication or AI-generated description may cause misunderstanding and still require human review. Lastly, Jarvis allows employees to ask data-related questions using natural language. It reduces the need for SQL skills, identifies trends, explain findings, and support faster decision-making. However, its results depend on data quality and clear questions. AI may also lack human judgment, while access restriction and maintenance requirement may limit its effectiveness. Overall, these tools improve learning, knowledge access, collaboration, and decision-making, but they still require active users, reliable data, regular maintenance, and human judgment.
In conclusion, Grab has successfully utilized Grab Academy, Hubble, and Jarvis to support knowledge sharing, continuous learning, and data-driven decision-making. These tools have improved collaboration, operational efficiency, innovation, and service quality within the organization. To further enhance its knowledge-sharing capabilities, Grab should increase user engagement, improve data governance, strengthen the reliability of AI-powered tools, and encourage the integration of technology with human expertise. That's all from us. Thank you.